भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे प्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है। India. There are no words to express India. The Indian culture is famous worldwide due to its cultural heritage, historical monuments, and its colorful festivals. The diversity of Indian culture makes us unique, distinguished among others. The Indian subcontinent is home of people of all classes and creeds. The unique mixture of Indian cultures is what sets us apart from other nations. It is one of the oldest civilizations in the world, which has been described as Sapratham Sanskari Vishwara, which means the first and the supreme. We are the world's largest democratic country and one of the largest economies, though we never boast about any of it. Instead, we greet everyone with our folded hands. Today, I request you all, let's visit India with us.
Hello everyone, my name is Jasleen Kaur from class 10th of TRIPS Pigawar. South India is a region consisting of southern part of India which encompasses the Indian state of Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Telangana, as well as union territories of Lakshadweep and Puducherry. It comprises 19.31% of India's area. South India is bounded by the Bay of Bengal in the east, the Arabian Sea in the west, and the Indian Ocean in the south. The majority of the people in South India speak at least one of the four major Dravidian languages: Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, and Malayalam. Important ecological regions of South India are the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, located at the conjunction of Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu, in Nilgiri Hills and the Annamalai Hills in the Western Ghats. The Gulf of Mannar Biosphere Reserve covers an area of 10,500 km² of ocean, islands, and adjoining coastlines, including coral reefs, salt marshes, and mangroves. There is a wide diversity of plants and animals in South India, resulting from the varied climates and geography. South India is home to one of the largest population of endangered Bengal tigers and Indian elephants in India, being home to 1/3 of tiger population and more than half of the elephant population, with 14 project tiger reserves and 11 project elephant reserves. Other threatened and endangered species found in region includes the grizzled giant squirrel, grey-slanded loris, sloth bear, Nilgiri langur, lion-tailed macaque, and Indian leopard. South Indian women traditionally wear sari, whereas the men wear a dhoti. Rice is the diet staple, while fish is an integral component of coastal South Indian meals. Coconut and spices are used extensively in South Indian cuisine. The region has rich cuisine involving both traditional non-vegetarian and vegetarian dishes comprising rice, legumes, and lentils. The traditional music of South India is known as Carnatic music, which includes rhythmic and structured music by composers. South India is home to several distinct dance forms such as Bharatnatyam, Kuchipudi, Andhra Natyam, Kathakali, Kerala Natyanam, Kodiyattam, Margamkali, Mohiniyattam, Uppanna, Uttam Thullal, Vilasini Natyam, and Yakshagana.
A very good morning. This is Navjot of class 9 from Dips Bay, Goa. So today I am presenting an eastern state of India, West Bengal. West Bengal culture is an Indian culture which is rooted by the Bengali literature, music and arts. West Bengal capital, Kolkata, former capital of India, is known as the cultural capital of India because it was the birthplace of the modern literary and artistic thoughts. Howrah Bridge is a balanced cantilever bridge over the Hooghly River in West Bengal, India, commissioned in 1943. The bridge was
Darjeeling is a town in
India's
Bridge.
West Bengal state in Himalayan foothills. It is famous for its black tea plantation. Durga Puja is a Hindu festival celebration of Mother Goddess and the victory of warrior Goddess Durga over the demon Mahisasura. The festival represents female power as Shakti in universe. Saraswati Puja is perhaps the second most important festival in Bengal. It essentially celebrates the homecoming of Hindu goddess of learning, goddess of Saraswati. West Bengal food emphasizes on fish, vegetable and lentils with rice as staple. Bengali cuisine is also known as for its varied use of flavor.
Very good morning to all. This is Neha from class 9 and from School Chain of Tips Institution at Aligarh, Bengal. Today I am going to represent the northwestern part of India. Northwestern part of the Indian subcontinent is consists of the lushy Arabic forest on the foothill of Himalayan mountain range. The states of northwestern part of the Indian subcontinent, named as Punjab and Kashmir, is known for its natural beauty. The northwestern part of the Indian subcontinent is famous for its traditional songs, traditional dances, and traditional type of art. To represent the most famous state of the northwestern part of Indian subcontinent, named as Punjab. All know that Punjab, the state of India, is located in the northwestern part of the Indian subcontinent. The word Punjab consists of two words. Punch means fight and up means water. Punjab is the land of rivers. Rivers named as Jhelum, Chenab, Satluj, Beas, and Ravi. About the festivals of the Punjab literature. So Lohri is the main and important literature festival of the Punjab. We can celebrate Lohri at the end of the winter season to express the ending of men wears the kurta pajama which is displayed by the kurta pajama, and women wear the salwar suit as it replaced by the salwar and
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਮੇਰਾ ਵਾਲਿਆ ਸੱਚੇ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਹੌਸਲਾ ਬਣਾਈ ਰੱਖ